Hello everyone. Today, we'll explore cross-border debt recovery in China and how to enforce judgments. Legal procedures for enforcing judgment in China. To enforce a judgment in China, first determine if there's a bilateral treaty between China and the judgment-issuing country. If so, follow the treaty's provisions. If not, rely on the principle of reciprocity. Recent shifts in Chinese judicial practice have moved from strict factual reciprocity to presumed or legal reciprocity, creating opportunities for foreign judgment enforcement. Prepare documents like the original judgment, notarized and authenticated copies, and certified translations. File the application with the competent intermediate people's court within 2 years from when the judgment is enforceable. The court will review the judgment's finality, jurisdiction legality, and whether it violates Chinese public policy. If approved, the court will issue an enforcement order. Practical challenges. One of the primary challenges is the potential for debtors to evade debt repayment by concealing or transferring assets. This necessitates a proactive and meticulous asset investigation strategy. Another significant challenge lies in the differences between Chinese legal practices and those of other jurisdictions. The enforcement process in China can be time-consuming and require strict adherence to specific legal formalities. Language barriers and cultural differences can also complicate communication and negotiations with Chinese courts, debtors, and relevant authorities. Additionally, the debtor's resistance and non-cooperation, such as refusing to appear in court or provide financial information, can further prolong the process. Successful case studies. In a notable case, a foreign manufacturing company was owed a substantial amount by a Chinese importer. We obtained a favorable court judgment and launched a comprehensive asset investigation, locating the debtor's real estate properties and bank deposits. Through strategic enforcement actions and negotiations, we successfully recovered the full invoice amount for our client within a relatively short period. In another instance, a European trading company faced difficulties in recovering unpaid invoices from a Chinese supplier. The debtor attempted to evade payment by transferring assets to related parties. Our team meticulously navigated the legal procedures, overcame the debtor's resistance, and ultimately secured the payment of the outstanding debt along with compensation for the client's legal expenses through asset preservation and enforcement measures. Contact us. If you're struggling with unpaid invoices from China or any other legal issues related to enforcing judgment in China, feel free to contact Michael Su. You can reach him at zployer@outlook.com or mykalksu@jinkinlawyer.com. Our extensive experience in cross-border debt recovery in China can provide you with reliable guidance and effective solutions.